I'll come and help. I'll just log for now.
Where are they at? Forest one. We don't see anyone at
They
Forest
went
one.
snail. They went snail. Musari's there. For desert 2.
What's a necro?
He's climbing up. He's right there. He's right there. See him? He gated.
Where did he get to? Where did he get to?
Desert 4.
Don't get to that spot.
This Onyx is camping snail.
He gated to the sussy imposter Omamlus.
It doesn't.
I'm pretty sure that we can close the necro. I don't know.
Oh, I'm allied to them. That's the thing, bro. I'm like different.
I see a lady. We need a pull. I'm coming him. There's a pot. There's a pot. Gather this combo. There's a pot. There's a pot.
There's a lot.
You good? There.
Where is he?
You guys are fine, right? You guys are fine, right? Yeah.
Bro, why did you eat that?
I'm coming from Ors. I'm coming Ors. Wait. They're at bridge. They're at bridge, right? Be careful of fear, by the way. Be careful of fear.
I suggest not entering the gate.
Why are you attacking? Oh, Blast. I thought it was Blast.
Where's Plas? Where's Plas? Is he joining?
Fear gated away. Fear gated away.
Get it. Get it. Get it.
They gated. They're not gonna. They're not fighting us head on. They're not fighting us head on.
Yeah,
They're
there
not
is
gonna
no.
fight
There
us
is
so
no.
Yeah, nah.
Yo, what is in Desert 4? What is in Desert 4? What is in Desert 4?
Get him, get him, get him.
We're actually like
Good.
What? What'd you say?
We're actually like this.
Can't get, buddy.
Nice.
Sorry. I stopped it. He's not hurt.
Grip him. Yeah, yo, can someone grindstone?
Why do I keep getting sent back to gate?
Oh, they're all
my
here.
fucking God.
They're all on me and Ezzy. I
D4
don't know
one.
where this is. I'm elude. Oh fuck. Oh,
Wait.
I'm at Z pit now.
Coming.
I'm fighting Connie at DZ scrum. He's alone. I'm low.
This guy's so confused.
Yeah, just keep playing Vinifera.
Someone back front gate. We're back front gate.
That was one of them, I think. It might be one of them. Yeah, it could be one of them.
Oh wait, fuck me. I don't have Shackle on me.
Easily.
I'm going
Where
up.
are you?
Dive bank stays down here. Dive bank stays.
Watch out, guys. Be safe.
16's low.
Watch out for
Like,
Makari
not-
XQ. No, it's not.
That's not with that.
I need
How
help.
many of us
This
have
was
died?
me, by the
Me
way.
and Tosh died, right?
I died.
I died. Okay, then.
I got sent back to
Yo,
gate.
shit.
That's just horrible. It's accepted. Right? Connie's very low.
Server laggy, by the way.
Nice.
Let me knock him up. Hey,
He's dead. We killed one.
We kill one. Kill another one. sorry, Lord freaking died. Did he just fly or something? Like, just go up.
No, I think he tried to wing spur or something.
Yeah, he just left me for this.
I got versus. Oh my.
Let's save now, let's save now, let's log, let's log.
Lady is dead. Lady's dead. Lady's dead.
We need to go now, after we
Get on
kill some
16,
more.
get on 16. I just snarved him. He just ate my snarf.
Millie's dead. Esther's holding him. Good thing.
What was holding it?
16 knock, 16 knock, 16 knock, 16 knock.
Millie's dead.
Wait, what? What?
No,
I mean, let us-
join him off, join him off, join him off.
Let us me, let us me, let us me.
Connie is so low.
Don't use your weapon. I'm gonna disarm him. Oh wait, he's a soul lens. Never mind.
Nice enemy.
Necrolog, I think.
Yo, I
I'm
almost
not killing
got
him.
fucking furious.
Dig it, don't go in, don't go in, don't go in, don't go in.
At the gate spot, at the gate spot. Go back to the gate spot. He's super short. He's gating, he's gating. He's gating.
Who's gating? Who's
Yeah.
gating?
Never mind. No, he's gating.
Oh, I'm getting beat up by the Blacksmith.
I'm getting out, I'm getting out.
Okay.
I'm getting out, I'm getting out. Get it.
Stick with Ezzy.
I'm not gonna lie to you. Oh, educated out. Educated out. Someone get them. Someone get the others out.
Where?
Where are
Can you
you?
go to cooldown? Can you go to cooldown?
No, but that. Oh my god. Step fire now, step fire now, step fire now. Step fire now.
That fire.
Going, you good? I got Sigil.
Sigil, get. That's not Sigil, dog. That's not Sigil.
Oh my god, sorry.
Ezzy, it's gating.
No, he's not.
There's a guy here.
It's okay, he's
Get a
good.
soul bait guy,
Armio, he get it out. Armio, he get it out.
I kill soul bait.
Nice. Armio, did you kill more?
Wait, I can't open doors. Oh wait.
Fireman's here. Your Necro is here, buddy.
Fireman. I starved him.
Oh, that's a lot.
He popped the rune and ran.
Valerie, backfire. Did Valerie backfire?
I'll go inside. I'll wait
Paul's
inside.
here. Paul's here.
You guys need to go now, bruh. I'm been telling you guys.
Careful. Mix with the druid, you're gonna die.
Yo,
You're gonna get
I
action
know.
there.
Nah, you guys need to get out now.
Yo, get out of here.
Don't
Don't play here.
Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you
I'll
going?
get it. I brought Max with me. He ran
I
out.
didn't get in the gate. Oh, fuck.
I got in.
Yeah,
Ezzy, come back. I'm back.
Hey, Ezra's just watching. Just start
Oh,
now.
I can't get in.
He get it.
Why didn't you
I
get
didn't
fire?
get in.
Wait,
I'm
where?
blocked. I'm gonna
Castle,
go.
Sky Castle.
Yeah.
Why didn't you shard?
Oh
Shard
my
now,
God.
shard now.
Oh, what? I got executed. What? I was 50%. How?
Clip it.
Clip it.
A gun, you got A gun.
What? How did I get a gun?
Yo, they're here.
There's
No, the
necrosis.
door is
There's necrosis.
Virvis. The door is Virvis, bro.
Doesn't matter, just play with the necro. Spam safari. Just keep spamming safari.
You guys, are you guys fighting at Sigil?
Yes.
Guys.
I'm at Sky.
Where's Rito?
Safari again. Go outside.
Did I go to Sigil?
No.
Nice. Got him.
Don't die. He's loading X. Nah, don't die. Valor's almost low. Valor's solo. Safari now.
Whoever you know on the server, let's go.
Oh my god.
I'm in the solo.
Oh my god. I spawned a rift gem in the server.
Nice.
Oh, really? Nice,
Yep,
bro.
I spawned a rift gem.
Oh!
Yo, go up, dog, go up.
I just gated here.
Oh my, Gale Foremost is here.
Bro, I run
Come on,
beyond
guys, come
from
on, guys,
TV,
come
I
on,
can't
guys.
resist them.
He's spamming bounce down. Go outside, go outside, go outside.
Oh, I got ragdoll, bitch. Oh, I'm restorable.
I gave it away.
I
Who's
Get
vessel?
out, get
Who's
out.
vessel?
Hi.
Who's vessel?